Michael Battaglia from DRP Solutions back with another episode in our video series about cybersecurity. Today, our focus is on protecting your company's assets by securing your network. The first tip in fortifying your network is to prevent any external threats from entering. The best way to accomplish this is to have proper firewall devices in place. We recommend having a skilled IT professional advise you on the make and model of the firewall, as well as allow them to configure the device based on your specific needs. Tip 2 for securing your company's assets begins inside your network and organization. It's essential to have an antivirus program installed on all machines with network access. Again, we recommend you use a knowledgeable IT person for recommendations and for help deploying that solution to all your devices. This provides an additional layer of protection if any threats penetrate your environment. Tip 3 also focuses on securing the interior of your network. At a basic level, all machines should have a recurring patch schedule. Frequently, Microsoft publishes fixes to their Windows operating system, and one way to stay ahead of potential security loopholes is to constantly update your workstations. That's all we have for you today. We hope you found this informative, and if you want more tips and tricks, continue to follow us here and stay tuned for next week's episode.